The Pandora Box 2025 Arcade is an impressive retro gaming console that comes with a staggering 36,800 pre-installed games, including 485 three-dimensional titles. One of its standout features is the Wi-Fi capability, allowing users to download over 50,000 additional games, expanding the gaming library significantly. Equipped with an S812 chip and a 12-core processor, this console ensures smooth operation and reduced energy consumption, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Its wide compatibility with various devices such as televisions, monitors, and projectors allows for high-definition gaming with resolutions up to 1280 by 720 pixels. The console offers a multitude of customizable options, including game saving, loading, and searching, as well as support for up to 4 players, making it versatile for any gaming setup. With a sleek design featuring an acrylic panel and ultra-thin metal chassis, the Pandora Box 2025 Arcade not only performs well but also makes for an attractive addition to any gamer's collection.